Hello guys, so as you can see we are doing this CNC thing. I hope you can hear my voice. We are doing this CNC thing. We are cutting our epoxy table which is out of the mold through a CNC machine. There are some ups and downs in the table, but now what we are doing, we are leveling the part. So I'll just show you how this process is done. So just have a look. So yes, as you guys can see, it is very like, it throws away all the epoxy of the outer layer, and if it falls on your eyes it is little troublesome. So I'm just staying on the side. So yes, the video you can see, I'll just be filming more of it so that you guys know how the process is and how you are supposed to do it in the CNC through the CNC machine. So later also parts we will be showing you how the side cuttings and all is done. So let's see. This is the second process now, where the lines have started to disappear. Now guys, you will see that we are cutting this thing. We have a plan of cutting it into an oval shape. So everything was programmed, but the program didn't function properly. It was our mistake. We should have seen it properly. So this blade ran outside the table, as you can see. So we had to stop this thing down, and we continued doing it in a rectangular cutting way. That was more better, because even if we had to cut this table into an oval shape, it would have been very small. So that is the other reason why we also took the decision to cut this table into a rectangular form. Things were going nice and easy till this point, where the blade shook the entire table, and it was going in the wrong direction. So we had to stop this thing right there. There are many things you have to be aware of while working on a CNC. And always remember, when the modern equipments fail, you have to go back to your old ways of doing. This is how we used to do. You have to know to go back and do it the same old way.
So this is what is called ocean table. Now the ocean is getting ready with the help of some rain also. See, the ocean is getting ready. Look at that.
It has started raining.
See, the ocean is also getting ready. So now you know what is coming. Look.